Ladies and gentlemen, boys and kids, and welcome to the review, or let's call it tutorial, on how to connect your brand new Canon EOS 200D. I think that camera is named differently in the United States for some reason. And connect it to your smartphone. It can be an iPhone, it can be a Samsung, it can be an HTC, or it can be your tablet. So let's move on. Go in the yellow menu of your camera, you make use of the nice touch display and go to the first point, wireless communication settings. Damn it. Go back to menu, then Wi-Fi settings and enable it. Okay? Register a nickname to identify the camera. Choose any name you want. You'll find this name exactly in the Wi-Fi settings of your phone. Say OK. Then a Wi-Fi OK has been selected. OK. So we gave this camera now a name, and I'll show you later on what I meant with that. Go back, go to Wi-Fi function and press on the smartphone symbol. Register a device for connection. Now you choose between Android and iOS. So if you're using the Google Play Store, you have Android. And if you have an HTC, a Samsung, or whatever phone, it must be an Android. And if you're using an iPhone, it doesn't matter which one, you have always iOS. I have no idea what to do with that QR code, so press on Set. Go to the Wi-Fi settings of your smartphone, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and here you will find exactly that network. Press on it, and now it's asking for a password. It's the password displayed right here. Press connect. Wait a few seconds. Go to the, if you haven't done so, go to the App Store or the Play Store and download the Canon Camera Connect app, which is this one here. I have to go back. It's this one. Press on it after you establish the connection to your camera, and here's the pop-up. A new camera has been found. That's the Canon EOS 200D. Press on that pop-up. Say OK on the camera. Connection established. Yoo-hoo. What you can do inside this app. Camera settings. Choose the date, the time, summertime, wintertime, and your location. This camera is not equipped with a GPS as far as I know, but if you still want to tag the photos and videos that you took with longitude and latitude information, you can use these information from your phone. That's a pretty nice feature. And what do we have in here? Remote live view control. That's a really nice feature. So I recommend go to the on mode on your camera instead of the movie mode. Inside this menu, you can of course set the focus, but make sure the AF is enabled on your lens. Set the focus now. And what else can we do? So setting the focus here. Oh, that's what I did on the camera, but I want to focus via the touch screen of my phone. Press release. There's the photo. You can change the shutter speed, you can change the aperture, and you can change the ISO. We still have enough storage here. That's a 32 GB card to take more than 500 photos, so exactly 5, 6, 7, and we have a good battery status. What else can we do? We can take a series of shots. Easy. And we can, of course, set a timer for taking a photo. And if you want to change the white balance, it's possible with the sub-menu here. Go to the video mode by pressing on the video camera up here. Start a video. Stop a video. Choose the settings of your video, the shutter, the aperture, the ISO. And of course you can switch between 50p, 25p or 30 and 60 frames per second. That's a really nice feature, so you can set the audio level. or the recording level of the internal microphone, or if you have an external microphone attached to the camera, you can set the level here as well. A different option in that cool app is photos on camera. Here are all the photos that I just took. Pretty boring, but I bet you have better footage on your camera. So inside this menu, what can you do? Of course, you can display the name. Here is the file type. It's a RAW plus a JPEG. Here are the settings that I used: ISO 3200 f5 and a shutter speed of 125th of a second. You can set, of course, a filter. Just show me clips or just show me photos. Here's a different filter, so filtered by date, folder, or rating, and we can get rid of the information, so you have some smaller thumbnails here. If you press on one of these photos, you have all the important information displayed down here. You can rate the photo. This rating will be the same rating once you import all the files onto your computer via Lightroom. You can download these files. You can delete those files from your SD card on the camera. Say delete. And if you go into your library, there's the photo that we just transferred onto our phone. And in here you can share it with your family via mail, messages, Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and so on and so on. It can be videos and it can be photos as well. So there are no additional costs involved in for the connection between the camera and your phone. And it doesn't really matter what smartphone you are using, because the app is available for free in the Play Store and the iOS App Store. Once you transferred the files onto your phone, of course, you need to connect to a normal Wi-Fi network, or you're using your normal data that you have with your provider, and share these files with your friends. Whatever suits you. Thanks for watching and see you soon. I hope it helped you. And if you have still any questions, post a comment below. Bye bye.